Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins on the stove. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need common baking ingredients such as 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, and half a cup of milk. Prepare a large pot with a tight-fitting lid, adding about 2 inches of water. Place a steamer basket inside, ensuring it sits above the water level. Don't forget to lightly grease your muffin cups or ramekins. Now let's create that delicious muffin batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, half a cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or vegetable oil. Pour the wet mixture into the dry and stir gently until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are fine. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins. With your batter ready, it's time for the unique stovetop cooking method. Spoon the batter into your greased muffin cups, filling each one approximately 2/3 full. Carefully transfer the muffin tin into the steamer basket within your large pot. Ensure the water is simmering gently. Place the lid on the pot, sealing it tightly to trap the steam. Steam the muffins over medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your muffins are perfectly steamed, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Using oven mitts, carefully lift the hot muffin tin out of the steamer basket. Let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up and prevent sticking. Gently remove them from the tin and place them on a wire rack to cool slightly more. Serve your warm, fluffy stovetop muffins with butter or jam, or simply enjoy them plain. They're a delightful treat any time of day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.